Welcome to our true Birmingham property. I'm about to show you our true unique apartment. So these rooms are so individual to this property here, and it's the only place you will ever find rooms like this. So come on in and I will show you what they look like. When you arrive here at True, you will get a full key just like this. This will give you and your flatmate access to your own apartment, and then you get the individual access to your own room. These true unique apartments are 4 ensuite bedrooms, so you can see that they go off to the side there. They do vary in size as well, so you've got some that are just over 17 square metres and some that are just over 20 as well, so you can choose the room size to suit you. When you get to your door, which is here, simply get your key, tap it on the reader and enter. So this room that I'm showing you is one of our larger true unique apartments. So this one is 20 square metres plus, okay? And as you can see, it's really, really nice and spacious. The biggest thing about these rooms is you get 2 beautiful sash windows. So these are actually one of the original features of this building. That's what makes them unique. So when you walk into your room space, you will notice to the side, you get hooks, great for your bags or your coats as you're leaving to university. Over here you have a full length mirror as well, so you can make sure your hair, your clothes are looking good before you leave to university. And then you can see you get a absolutely massive desk space. It is twice the size of our normal apartments. You have a pin board that runs all down the back, which is great for you to put your university timetable, your photos of loved ones, you name it, you can put them on there and make it really nice and personal to you. You've got 2 big shelves to the top, and on this side you have your smart TV, which has free view capabilities, so you've got BBC, ITV, you name it, you've got tons of channels on there. Plus it's a smart TV, so you've got Netflix, YouTube and stuff like that. You've got cupboards and storage to the side, like such. You have a comfortable desk chair for when you're doing your late night studying. Over here you can see that you've got a waste paper bin as well. And last but not least, you've got drawers to the side here for you to hide away your books. Like I said before, you've got 2 lovely windows which can open as well. You simply lift them up, and you've got blackout curtains as well for both. Here you will find your radiator. This will keep you really nice and warm in the winter, and you can control the heating yourself. So down here you can switch it to be as hot or as cold as you would like your space to be. Then, as you can see, you have a full-size double bed with a padded headboard to the back. This is an ottoman bed, so what that means is you can lift the bed up, and there's a big space under there that you can store your suitcases or large boxes away. Then to the top you can see that you've got 2 really big shelves there as well. Coming around here, this is your wardrobe. So it's really nice, a really good space for you to store your clothes. You've got a super large storage shelf up to the top, a rail in the middle with some hangers, and then you've got some shelves underneath as well. And last but not least, you get your ensuite bathroom. So all our rooms here are fully ensuite. We don't believe in sharing a bathroom. As you come in, you can see that it's fully tiled throughout, and you've got a great mirror which has got lights on the side as well, so it looks great as well when you're getting ready for university. You've got a sink with under sink storage, a lovely kind of storage shelf there for your perfumes and makeup and stuff like that. You've got a toilet with an integrated flush, a towel rail to this side and towel hooks to the back, and of course you have your walk-in shower space with a waterfall shower and a side shower there.